Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with BS. I hope you are watching my grammar videos regularly. So today in this video we are going to learn another grammar topic which is on transformation of sentences. Now I have covered two parts in this wherein we will be learning how to remove to from a sentence or how to remove enough from a sentence and rewrite the sentence using so that. Very often you get sentence in which to or enough is used and you are asked to rewrite the sentence using so that. So in this video we are learning this grammar topic, transformation of sentences, wherein we will be learning these two things. Okay, so let's start with the part 1, transformation of sentences, part 1. Okay, here remove to in the following sentences and rewrite using sentences using so that. You have to rewrite the sentence using so that. You have to remove to from the sentence and you have to rewrite using so that. Okay, now let me tell you the rules. What exactly you have to do? You have to remove to and you have to replace it with the word so, and then you have to replace to with that. Okay, but you have to ensure that you don't change the meaning of the sentence और यू डोंट चेंज द टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ये दो बातें आपको ध्यान रखनी है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज द न्यूज़ इज़ टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. नाउ इफ यू सी टू वर्ड यूज़ किया है विथ टू. फाइन, तो अभी आप क्या लिखोगे? टू की जगह पे क्या लिखोगे? सो. ठीक, और टू की जगह पे क्या लिखोगे? दैट. और क्या बात देखनी है? टेंस और मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना है. ठीक, द न्यूज़ इज़ सो गुड. टू के जगह पे क्या लिखा? सो. द न्यूज़ इज़ सो गुड दैट, टू की जगह पे लिखा दैट, दैट इट कैन नॉट बी ट्रू. नाउ इफ यू सी दिस इज प्रेजेंट टेंस इज, तो कैन नॉट अगेन इट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. द न्यूज़ इज़ सो गुड दैट इट कैन नॉट बी ट्रू. ओके, अनदर थिंग कि वंस यू राइट सो you will not write to. Once you write that, you will not write to. Don't put both the things together. Okay, let us see one more example. He speaks too fast to be understood. इतना फास्ट बोलता है कि समझ में नहीं आता है. okay, एक बात मैं बताऊं कि जब भी टू यूज़ होता है तो उसके साथ टू यूज़ होता है. okay, कभी भी टू के साथ टू दैट नहीं होता है. बट जब भी आप सो लिखते हो तो सो के साथ आपको दैट लगाना पड़ता है. okay, so how will you convert? He speaks so fast. टू की जगह पे क्या लिखा हम लोगों ने? सो. ही स्पीक्स सो फास्ट, और टू की जगह पे क्या लिखा हमने? दैट. दैट इट कैन नॉट बी अंडरस्टूड. अगेन इफ यू सी स्पीक्स इज प्रेजेंट टेंस, सो वी हैव रिटन कैन नॉट विच इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. ही स्पीक्स सो फास्ट दैट इट कैन नॉट बी अंडरस्टूड. सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. His shirt is too small for this shirt is too small for me to wear. Okay, to के साथ to, but now when we rewrite the sentence we will use so that. So it will be this shirt is so small. To we have replaced with so. This shirt is so small that I cannot wear it. Okay, why have I written I? Because if you see in the question me लिखा है, मुझे मेरे लिए छोटी है और किसी के लिए शायद हो सकती है बराबर. मेरे लिए छोटी, इट इज स्मॉल फॉर मी. ओके, सो दैट इज वाई मी को आई हैव रिप्लेस्ड विद आई. सो यू हैव टू सी दैट मीनिंग शुड नॉट चेंज एंड ऑल्सो टेंस शुड नॉट चेंज. इज प्रेजेंट टेंस, तो यहाँ पे भी कैन नॉट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. दिस शर्ट इज सो स्मॉल दैट आई कैन नॉट वियर इट. राइट. ही ड्रो टू फास्ट फॉर द पुलिस टू कैच. ओके, सो हाउ विल यू राइट? ही ड्रो सो फास्ट दैट the police could not catch him. Now why could here? In all other sentences we have written cannot. Why? Because it was present tense. But यहाँ पे if you see draw, drive, draw. Draw is past tense form of drive. Okay, draw लिखा है, that means it is past tense. So can का भी past tense, could not. So we have not changed the tense as I told you. Plus meaning should not change. जैसे इसका मीनिंग क्या है? He drove so fast for the police to catch. इतना तेज़ दौड़ा कि पुलिस इसको पकड़ नहीं सकी. तो हियर ऑल्सो ही ड्रोव सो फास्ट दैट पुलिस कुड नॉट कैच हिम. मीनिंग इज सेम, टेंस इज नॉट चेंज. दिस इज वॉट यू हैव टू इंश्योर. ओके, दीज मैंगोज आर टू चीप टू बी गुड. ओके, ये मैंगोज इतने सस्ते हैं कि अच्छे नहीं हो सकते. नाउ यू हैव टू रीराइट द सेंटेंस यूजिंग सो दैट. तो वी विल राइट दीज मैंगोज आर सो चीप दैट दे कैन नॉट बी गुड. अगेन कैन नॉट, वाई? बिकॉज आर जो है यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट टेंस है. तो अगेन वी हैव रिटन कैन नॉट. सो यू हैव टू इंश्योर टेंस इज सेम. Okay, let's see some more examples. Her husband was too dejected to lift his head. Dejected means sad. Okay, so now how will you rewrite using so that? Her husband was so dejected, to की जगह पे that he could not lift his head. Again could not, why? Because was is present, past tense. So once past tense we will write could not. Tense should not change. Our teacher speaks too fast to understand. हमारी टीचर इतना फास्ट बोलती है कि समझ में नहीं आता है. राइट. सो इट विल बी our teacher speaks so fast that it cannot be understood. Okay. Cannot, why? Because speaks is simple present tense. So again cannot is present tense. He is too old to walk properly. इतना old है कि अच्छे से चल नहीं सकता. तो how will we write using so that? Yes, he is so old that he cannot walk. Okay, again we have written he के जिसके लिए लिखा है pronoun also should be same. The mathematical problem was too difficult for students to solve. So how will we rewrite this sentence? The mathematical problem was so difficult. To की जगह पे क्या लिखना है? So difficult that students could not solve. अगेन वाई? बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लिखा है, सब टीचर के लिए शायद ईजी था बट स्टूडेंट के लिए नहीं था. तो वॉट एवर नाउन और प्रोनाउन वी विल रिप्लेस सेम. ओके, इट नहीं लिखेंगे बट वी विल राइट दैट नाउन और प्रोनाउन सो दैट स्टूडेंट्स कुड नॉट सॉल्व. शी इज टू इमोशनल टू टॉलरेट एनी रूड बिहेवियर. ओके, हाउ विल कन्वर्ट यूजिंग सो दैट? शी इज सो इमोशनल, टू विल बी रिप्लेस विद दैट she cannot tolerate any rude behavior. Cannot because here it is present tense. The peak was too high for the mountaineers to climb up. Okay, peak है ना mountain का top, इतना high था कि mountaineers नहीं चढ़ पाए. Okay, so when we convert using so that, the peak was so high that mountaineers could not climb up. Now was says that it is past tense, so here we have used past tense form, that is could not. Again mountaineers के लिए difficult था और किसी के लिए शायद easy था, तो mountaineers as it is we have written. So in short, to will be replaced with so, to will be replaced with that. Okay, and tense should not change. And if you see, these are all to and to वाले sentences, they are almost, they carry negative meaning. They cannot, they could not, they carry negative meaning. Okay, this was two sentences. Remove you have to and you have to rewrite it so that. Now similar thing I will tell you today, transformation of sentences part 2. In this we will be learning remove enough in the following sentence and rewrite using the sentence so that. Again you have to write sentence using so that, but this time what you will do is you will remove enough. to नहीं होगा but क्या होगा? word enough होगा. तो let's see इस टाइप के sentences कैसे करना है. जैसे to और to के साथ किया था, same thing. remove enough and replace with so and replace to with that without changing the meaning and tense. Right? See first example. Her coat was huge enough to easily fit me. Okay, उसका कोट इतना बड़ा था कि मुझे easily fit हो गया. Now without changing meaning you have to rewrite the sentence using so that. So how will we write? Her coat was so huge. Now we will remove enough. क्या लिखेंगे? So huge. To की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? that it could easily fit me. अभी could क्यों यूज़ किया? Because was is past tense. So for past tense we have written could. Okay. One thing let me tell you, जो to और to वाले थे they were all negative meaning, but ये जो enough वाले sentences रहते हैं enough to वाले positive meaning. अभी देखो इतना बड़ा था कि मुझे fit हो गया. could not fit नहीं है, it could easily fit me. तो enough वाले sentence जो होते हैं जिसमें यूज़ किया they carry positive meaning. Room is big enough to accommodate 100 people. नाउ अगेन दिस कैरीज पॉजिटिव मीनिंग, रूम इतना बड़ा है कि 100 पीपल को अकोमोडेट कर सकता है. Okay, now we have to rewrite this sentence using so that. So room is so big, enough will be replaced with so. Room is so big that it can accommodate 100 people. It cannot nahi, this carries positive meaning. Okay, can क्यों? Because this is present tense, so here also we don't have to change the tense. Ram is intelligent enough to solve this maths problem. Means राम इतना इंटेलिजेंट है कि ये मैथ्स का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकता है. पॉजिटिव मीनिंग, राम इज सो इंटेलिजेंट दैट ही कैन सॉल्व दिस मैथ्स प्रॉब्लम. कैन वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. शी वॉज रिच इनफ टू बाई अ कार. अगेन दिस इफ यू सी इट कैरीज पॉजिटिव मीनिंग. इतनी रिच है कि कार खरीद सकती है. ओके, so when we rewrite using this so that, so how will we write? She was so rich that she could buy a car. Now I have written could. Why? Because was tells that this is past tense, so sentence after conversion also should be in past tense. So not can but could लिखना है. Fine. Let's see some more examples. Their house is large enough to accommodate their big family. Okay, so when we rewrite using so that, how will we write? Their house is so large that it can accommodate their big family. Okay, present tense है, so can. The dog was sensitive enough to trail the hiding place of the criminal. Dog इतना sensitive है, इतना उसका sensation power अच्छा है कि जहाँ पे criminals छुपे हुए थे उनको ढूंढ पाया. Okay, so now when we rewrite this sentence using so that, the dog was so sensitive, enough will be replaced with so. The dog was so sensitive that he could trail the hiding place of the criminals. Now why have I written could here? Because this is past tense. The surface was firm enough for men and bullock to walk on it. Surface इतना firm, इतना कड़क था कि वहाँ पे men and even bullocks walk कर सकते थे, इतना मजबूत था. Okay. The surface was so firm that men and bullock could walk on it. We have replaced with so that. Enough will be replaced with so, to will be replaced with that. You are writing fast enough to finish on time. तुम इतना फास्ट लिख रहे हो तो टाइम पे ख़त्म हो जाएगा. You are writing so fast that you can finish on time. Can क्यों लिखा? Because if you see here it is present tense. She is careless enough to make mistakes. इतनी केयरलेस है कि मिस्टेक्स कर सकती है. तो हाउ विल वी राइट व्हेन वी राइट सो दैट? शी इज सो केयरलेस दैट शी कैनॉट मेक मिस्टेक्स. Sorry, here it is mistake. She is so careless that she can make mistakes. It will be she can make mistakes. Okay. He is smart enough to understand everything. इतना स्मार्ट है कि सब समझ सकता है. He is so smart that he can understand everything. Okay, इतना स्मार्ट है कि वो सब समझ सकता है. Okay, so this is what enough and to वाला when we write enough we have to replace with so that. Okay, enough की जगह पे so and to की जगह पे we have to write that. But one thing let me tell you, enough वाले sentences are positive, they carry positive meaning, and to वाले they carry negative meanings. So I hope you understood this video, this grammar part. So do share in with your friends. Write in the comment box आपको ये video कैसे लगा. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.